August here. Just wanted to share some footage with you guys of the autocross I did last weekend at the Grand Forks Air Force Base. This is my first time performance driving in any kind of format since the Nürburgring like 2 years ago. So this was so much fun, and so fun to get out there finally and do some performance driving. This was on the Grand Forks Air Force Base in North Dakota. They had a Make-A-Wish Foundation charity event. Badlands region, SCCA, put this up, and some members from the base. They ended up raising a little over $4,300 for the Make-A-Wish Foundation and donated it, so that's good. But overall, yeah, it's super different from road course racing or what I'm used to, the Nürburgring. Everything was so fast paced, so quick. You have no time to think about the next turn. You have to you gotta flow with it. You can't think about what your mistakes were or whatever. But so much fun. Even though the runs were just 1 minute, they were it was so much fun. I'm on old Federal RS Pros that I've had on even since that last lap on the Nürburgring. These tires did that last lap, so they've been through a couple winters here in North Dakota in an unheated garage here, so they got hot, but they didn't grip up very much, but still worth a lot of fun and easy to kind of slide around on that track. As you saw, it wasn't very grippy either to the surface. So the first 6 runs dropped time that I had, obviously as they should. Learning curve was pretty steep, but ended up getting down to a 52nd, which was respectable. Although the other blue RS, and I know you're watching this, ran like a 47.9, so got some work to do, but I'll get you. Overall, I had such a blast. Can't wait to go and do this again sometime. Stay tuned, but enjoy this video. Trying to catch my slide, man. I forgot how fun this thing is. Maybe I won't launch it out of here, and I'll just good luck. Thanks. how low I have to sit.
Yeah.
Because of the helmet.
True.
It's not my normal driving position.
No?
No, I sit up high. I don't know why.
Sub 50. Holy crap. Damn. It's so different when you're all-wheel drive.
Just pin it and point it.
Yeah. You get so sideways in this. Is it 50-50?
No, it's 70-30.
Okay. I was like, holy. Dude, this thing is amazing.